Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore auto space on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on More Typing Options. After click on More Typing Options, click on Auto Spacing. And if you want to restore auto spacing, so turn on this button. So you will turn on or turn off auto spacing button from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can restore auto space on Samsung A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.